Hello kids! Welcome to the Guess the Reptile game. Today we'll explore some cool reptiles and learn their names in English and Hindi. Let's get started and meet these amazing creatures. I slither and slide, I don't have a leg, I hiss so softly, don't make me beg. What's my name? Can you guess this song? Snake, sap. In Hindi, I'm called sap, so thin and long. Next, I live in water, my jaws are so wide. With sharp, sharp teeth, I swim and I glide. What's my name? Come on, my child. Crocodile, Magarmech. In Hindi, I'm Magarmech, I'm strong and wild. Next, I carry my home wherever I go. I walk very slowly, that's what you know. What's my name? Take a guess in this field. Turtle. In Hindi, I'm Kechua, my shell is my shield. Next, I crawl on the wall with sticky feet. I'm small and quick and hard to beat. What's my name? What are you feeling? Lizard. In Hindi, I'm Chipkali, I love the ceiling. Next, I change my color to hide from view. Red, green or yellow, I surprise you. What's my name? Give it a try. Chameleon. In Hindi, I'm Gurgit, so clever and shy. Next, I'm like a crocodile, but my nose is round. In rivers and lakes, I'm easily found. What's my name? I'm a scaly glimmer. Alligator. In Hindi, I'm Ghorial, not just a swimmer. Amazing job, kids! You guessed so many reptiles and learned their names in English and Hindi. If you enjoyed this game, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and learning.